$50 just watching YouTube videos. If someone told me that I can get paid just by watching YouTube videos, I'll be like, are you for real? But guys, yes, you can get paid just by watching YouTube videos, and today I'm here to show you how you can get paid watching YouTube videos. And remember, it is free. No amount that is required for you to join this website and start watching YouTube videos and get those coins. So guys, if you're interested, if you want to know how you can watch videos online using your phone and start earning, continue watching. I don't know why today I'm clapping. I don't know. I think I'm so excited because finally I can do something that I enjoy and still earn money. So if you're here because you want to know how you can earn by just watching videos, or you are curious, continue watching. I'm about to tell you the secret website that you can go right now. It's free and you can start earning money. The best thing with this website, it is free and it is wild. So let me jump into my computer and show you the magic website. So guys, the website is called timebucks.com. timebucks.com. If you want to go to this website, there is a link in the description down below. Follow the link and it will take you to this beautiful website. It's called timebucks.com, and it says it will pay you to post on TikTok, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, complete captures, post on Instagram, answer surveys. The list is endless. There's so much to do on this website. So the first thing you need to do is, of course, to sign up. You'll come here, sign up, create account. You can see email, password, repeat password, then say I'm not a robot, then sign up. But because I already have account with them, I will go and log in. I will log in. Let me log in and show you how the website looks like. So this is basically how the website looks like. So the first thing that you see on this website are these earnings, referral bonuses, wallet. So what it means with the referral, if you invite someone, your referral amount will come here. You'll get a percentage, a commission. If the person starts making sales or earning, you'll start also earning from the referral. We need to earn watching videos on this website. So in the earn section or in the earn page, there are so many things that are there. Don't get distracted. Go direct to the watch video tab, because the more you watch the videos, the more chances you have to earn more money. And say you want to watch, let's say we want to watch this content. These are the ad. It is ad title. So if I say here view, the instruction says view the content for only 5 seconds. So if I click on the tab, you can see it has started counting here. 4, 2, 1, 0, and I have been paid. That easy. Can you imagine? It's that easy. And I can come here and close this tab. So I have been paid. Let's try another one. So you come here, we are getting paid 0.001. So we say view. It also says view for, they vary. There are those ads you say view for 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds. So pay attention on the instructions. So if I say view, let's see what happens. You see 3, 2, 1, and again I have earned. It's that easy. And then I can close this tab. Let's go the other one. This one is fun. It's fun. The more you do this task, the more they have earned again. The more you do the task, the more they increase the amount. So you can earn every day with this website. And remember guys, it's free and it's worldwide. It's free and it's worldwide. So another 4, 3, 2, 1. And I've earned again. So It's showing total offers available. The total ads available now, they are 0, and now I cannot. There are no more offers. But the best thing, you can engage. You can be an engager. You can be watching YouTube videos and start earning money. That's our interest in this website. So what you do, pay attention, because if you fail to follow the instructions, you may not even see the result. So pay attention. So what you need, remember guys, we came to the earn, then content, then I have scrolled down to engage. I'm here at engage. I've scrolled down and then I've said start earning. Then it will take me to this website, because already I have downloaded. It's saying it looks like a user is already logged in. Don't pay attention. For you, it won't ask this one. Say go to dashboard. When you say go to dashboard, it says be sure to review the tutorial video PDF. With every 10 videos you get paid. So after 10 videos, that's when you get paid. So we go to download extension. You need this extension on your browser, either Chrome. Yeah, you need this extension. So what we are doing, we want to download. Because I've already downloaded, I won't click download, but because of I know you have not downloaded, click here, download now, download it. Then we can go here. You see these 3 dots? It's 3 dots. Press the 3 dots, scroll down. You can see me scrolling down until where you see more tools, then come scroll again, extensions. Guys, I hope you're following. Follow the instructions so that you can get the everything. So here it's saying this is the engaged hits. If for you, because you have downloaded, you will go to the file that you have saved, say load unpacked, and then when you say load unpacked, it will come here. So for me, I can do like that, and then if I do like that, I can, if it's deactivated, just activate it. Okay, so after I've activated it, I can see it here. You can see engage hits. This is the one now. It will be paying us when you are watching YouTube videos. So let's try, guys. So I can come here, try to refresh that YouTube page. Then I come here to engage hits. Then it will ask me, do you want to earn or do you want to earn points? Do you want to earn money or do you want to earn points? Obviously, we are here to earn money. Click on earn money. When you click money, it will tell you here is your task information. Copy this link and then go and watch. So we are copying. We copy that one and then we come here, paste it. Pay attention, guys. Paste it, then it will highlight. We want the video that it has been highlighted. That's the video that we are supposed to watch. Don't watch just any video until it highlights it. So guys, as you can see, I've told you it was searching. This is the video now we are supposed to watch. You see, click on this video. Don't click on another video because you won't get paid. Now we click on our video, and then on the left here side, is it left? Yeah. In this tutorial, you will see. Let me mute. You will see here we are being told subscribe to this channel. Watch till 1:36. Watch until 1:29 minutes. So yeah, so there is a trick I found out. If you don't want to keep on watching long videos, you can come here to play speed, then put 2 minutes, then it will fasten. You can see then here it has started fastening. And the best thing, you can go back to the earning and then the video will play on the background and still get paid. So it's something that you don't need to be on this page so that you can get paid. You can come here and continue doing your stuff and you'll get paid. Okay guys, so let me show you the last thing. That's how you should do it, and when you finish watching the videos, you will start earning. Let me show you. If you want to withdraw the payment method, you come to the settings. If you want to get paid, you go to the settings, then after you click the settings, you will click the payment method. See here, payment method. When you click payment method, it will ask which payment method do you want. Remember guys, at every Thursday automatically, if you reach $10 minimum payout, you will get paid. If you reach $10, that's the minimum. So for this website, you just need to reach $10 so that you can get your pay. So their payment method, you will have a pay, bank transfer, that's TransferWise. We have ATM, Bitcoin, and you can either choose they hold your money until maybe it reaches to a certain amount. This is my address, Bitcoin address already. I prefer to be paid with Bitcoin, so I have put my Bitcoin address. So that's the payment method, guys. This is something that you should check up. You should check it out. Link is I will leave the link in the description box. Kindly, if you want to get to familiar with TimeBucks, it has so much. Remember, even if you're in TikTok, you are doing social media, it has so much. I can't go through everything here because it has so much. So let's go back to our dashboard, and then we can go back to the video to see if you have earned. You see, task completed. Click on our extension icon for your next task. So basically, this is what we will keep on doing. You can see we have watched video 2. So to watch this one, you copy, you paste, you watch like that, and then by the end of the day, you will have made your $10, guys. What else do you want? What else do you want? So I think that is it. That's how the site looks like. It's very easy to navigate. It's very easy for a beginner. It doesn't matter how experienced you are with the laptop or with the internet. You just need this site, and you just need to click watch, click watch, click watch, and you can make yourself $50. You can make yourself $10 in a day, $50 in a day, and the more active you are, the more good you become. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was very helpful. I hope if you want to make some few coins, go start watching videos on TimeBucks, and maybe you can earn extra coin, because we are always watching videos and no one is paying us. So this website promises you to watch and earn.